Okay, let's get started with installing Plyr as a video player. So to do that, we're just gonna be using this CDN. So I'm gonna go ahead and find the installation process. And we can find everything we need here. So we need the Plyr.css and we need the CDN for the JavaScript. So let's head into app.blade.php file. In here, I want to just go ahead and pass in the CDN. And I want to pass in the style sheet. So that's basically everything you need to install it. So when it comes to actually creating a component for it, we're gonna have a component where we're gonna play the video. So let's go ahead and look at that now. So we're gonna head in and create a component called player. And inside player, let's just make sure that we have a few different things. So we want to go into the play component. In here, you just want to pass in the div with a video. And all we want to pass in here is the ID of player. We want to iterate through video formats where we have the file path and the format quality. We want to use the Livewire script tag to push up the script so it actually doesn't break the application. And then we just want to have a script in here. We want to have a const player equal to new player with a preview thumbnail enabled and a source to the VTT file, which we'll be working on very soon. Outside of that, all you just want to have is place inline controls, data poster is going to be equal to video thumbnail path. And that's actually everything for this video. So thank you very much for watching it, and I'll see you in the next one.